receive an email from one email account. If you click reply, you will see it reply to two different email accounts. It's not reply to the original sender. So in this case, there are only two reasons. One reason you may face to the phishing email. And another reason may the other person send you the email, he set up a redirect reply. So this time we talk about how to send an email, and when they reply the email, reply to other email account. So to do that, let's go back to the new email. And for example, you want to send an email to Outlook. And then you go to the options. Remember, only when you're using the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook has this option. The online version don't have it. So there is redirect reply to. And from here, you just add the email. And if you want to add the second reply email, you just add a semicolon here and add another email here, okay? And close that. So you just type in the subject and then you send the email. And the other side, when they reply the email, they will send the email to these two persons, okay? So that's how you set direct reply to option in Outlook. So remember, if you send this email, you have to send it to Microsoft-based email. So for example, Hotmail, Outlook, Microsoft 365. If you send it to a Gmail, they click reply. It won't go to the direct reply. It will go to new email address. So the Gmail the option won't work. Okay. So hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.